Hi, my name is Pastor Kendra Thompson. I work with children at St. Paul Lutheran Church in Davenport, Iowa. And with me here today is Andy, my daughter Andy. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Andy is 4, and today we are going to show you how to make an Advent wreath. An example of one. Ooh, it's heavy. There's some greenery and some candles.
And there's some candles.
Yeah.
One's white in the middle, and the 3 are made out of crystal things.
But we're not going to make crystal candles. We're actually going to help you make a simple wreath out of everyday items like felt or paper, toilet paper tubes, or a paper towel roll, paper
All
plate,
kinds of felt, like this kind of
and greenery from your yard. So let's get started. You'll also need a few pipe cleaners or maybe some wire, some colored paper, and simple materials like scissors or glue.
Or tape.
Or tape, definitely tape. So,
Or hot glue guns.
yes, we love hot glue around here, but you gotta have an adult with you to help. So we hope you'll enjoy this craft project. So the first thing you will need is 4 toilet paper tubes. Andy, you wanna hold those up?
1 or 2 or 3 or 4 toilet tubes.
We actually cut a paper towel roll in 3 pieces. So if you only have 1 toilet paper tube, a paper towel roll will make 3 tubes for you. You'll also need 4 pieces of paper or pieces of felt.
You might need like a spotty one, like this one.
Yes, we wanted one to be pink for the candle of love, and so that one is actually pink and spotty. But these are gonna wrap around your toilet paper tubes. So make sure you have 4 tubes and 4 pieces of paper or felt, right, Andy? This part is where you'll need a grown-up. So if you're using felt, you'll want hot glue, just a couple dots. And then you can wrap your felt around your tube. Or if you're using paper, you can use craft glue or a glue stick. And you'll need are 4 wicks for your candles, and we're gonna make 4 flames. Andy, will you hold that up?
Might need a little piece of paper like that, and 2 red pieces, and you might staple them together.
For your flames, you might want to use construction paper. We have red, orange, and yellow. And see, this is how we made our flames. And for those, you can just use a glue stick to glue them together. Once you have taped your paper or glued felt around your tube for a candle, then you want to attach your wick and flame. And we recommend tape because we got some masking tape here.
Yep, we get some masking tape and then we tape the tube somewhere.
And that's because you don't want your candle to be lit all the time. So when it's time to light your candle, you can have that wick sticking up, maybe even a little lower.
Or you could just get some tape and
or when you blow it out, then you'd want your wick to hide, wouldn't you? So then you can tape it lower. Oh, I hope I made these. It still kind of pokes out. So that is how you hook your wick to your candle. And the next part is we want to talk about the greenery for your. So the next part you need is the wreath. Andy, can you hold?
We get it from our tree. Our backyard is very small, but we have a pine tree. It's have these little.
And then you can just wrap them around the edges of your paper plate to make a wreath. If you don't have branches, you can use green paper.
Mom, this is what your wreath is going to look like when you're finished with it. Because your wreath looks like this, everybody. Can you see that? That's why we light a candle.
Do you remember why we light those candles?
So we can remember Jesus?
Yep. And we light one every week as we get ready for Christmas. And you can remember the words that go with each one. Hope, peace, love, and joy. And by the time you've lit the 4th candle, you'll be ready for Christmas. Isn't that right, Andy?